In a world where packaging not only protects, but also communicates and sells, Limitronic is leading the revolution with its innovative direct container printing technology. We offer full-color digital printing solutions that allow you to customize your packaging with exceptional quality and no interruptions in the production lines. Whether it is logos, dynamic codes, or full-color images, we customize each printing to meet the customer's needs. Direct printing on the package transforms packaging into a powerful branding tool. Our printing solutions integrate seamlessly into automated packaging systems, optimizing size and reducing costs. Transform your packaging, your branding tool. Within Line Box Printer, each box is designed and printed in a single swipe, adjusting the print heads automatically to the dimension of each package. This system not only reduces material usage, but also improves efficiency and promotes sustainability. Align, adapt, print. E-commerce and retail logistics companies are leveraging our technology to deliver personalized shopping experiences. Direct container printing for smart packaging. At Limitronic, we combine innovation, sustainability, and precision to create solutions that meet the demands of today's e-commerce market. Fit-to-size automated packaging. Optimize your production, reduce time, and elevate your brand with direct digital printing. Reduce time to market. Limitronic, leaders in direct printing for intelligent packaging.